the car sound like before. I'm gonna put you back on the ground. Just disconnecting the battery right now, so I don't get no check-in till like.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what I'm saying?
Just got this out now, about to take this off and then put it all back, and then we're gonna start installing this. Factory intake right here. Put this on. Now I'm about to put this on and go from there.
Alright, come on. It's on? No check engine? Yes, sir. No check engine light. We straight. Did this thing. That really commercial. Yes, sir. Do it. I would definitely say this is worth every dollar I spent. It does help performance. It increases performance on the vehicle. I can feel more throttle response. Tap the gas, get immediate feedback. I would definitely say purchase this item. The item or the intake I have is a BBK cold air intake. I got it from AmericanMuscle.com. It's fairly easy to install. I would definitely suggest it to anybody, and you don't need to know a lot to install it. It's pretty simple and easy. And yeah, just give you a drive of what it's like to have it in your vehicle. Getting on the freeway. I would say it lowers your fuel economy just a little bit more, but it's not an absurd amount. But you can feel the difference. The second you press on the gas from the factory intake from this one, it's a huge difference. Let's go down to 60 and start from there. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed or if it helped out any kind of way, make sure to help me out, subscribe and like the video down below, and comment what you want to see next. Maybe more car stuff on my channel, or back to NBA or gaming, because I also do play games. But that'll be all for this video, and that's it, and I'm up.